So today's tutorial is gonna be about this picture of Choso. I chose this because it was looking super easy. So let's start by drawing this structure according to the reference. So first of all, let's draw a circle like this. There is nothing specific with the circle. You can draw it in the middle of the paper randomly. This circle is not supposed to follow anything, but all the other things in this structure are supposed to follow the circle, as circle is the very first thing we draw on the paper. And as you can see in the reference, the top of the circle is touching the top of the forehead, while the bottom of the circle is touching the nose. And now let's draw the center line by splitting the circle into two equal pieces. And like always, you're gonna watch till the end, promise. And I just marked the nose at this point, and then below it I marked lips and then the chin. And as you can see, the distance between these things is equal, so you can rely on that. And right now I'm marking the eyes by drawing these two lines. And then this third line is for the eyebrows, and all of these things are marked are just by guess, except the nose. So we need to be a bit careful while drawing. And now let's mark the jaws too, as we can see in the reference. So the structure is finally complete, and now let's remove it a little bit and start drawing the actual sketch. And here I'm starting with the nose because you know the nose is the only perfectly marked thing in the whole face. And let's draw this black mark over the nose. And the reason I always say to watch the videos till the end is we need 4,000 hours of watch time to get this channel monetized. And just few days ago I completed 2,000 hours of watch time, which means we are halfway there. And after getting monetized, your buddy will be able to get called a professional YouTuber. It's been 7 to 8 months since I created this channel, and all through that time you guys have been a lot of help, and I hope that I have also been a lot of help to you guys in sketching and in drawing your favorite characters. And also I have only almost 3 months left to achieve this milestone, because I had only 1 year to work on this channel, and if I couldn't do it in 1 year, I have to get back to studies. There's actually a long story behind it. Let's talk about it someday later. So the most important thing now is we have only 3 months left to complete 2,000 hours of watch time. So guys, please help. Let's go and achieve this thing together. So in the structure, I'm simply drawing the eyes between those lines I drew earlier as a part of the structure. It's okay if you can draw the both eyes similar, because it's not perfect even in the reference. And if the reference is still looking okay and perfect, then yeah, it's not a big problem. And I wanted to talk about shading a little bit. Like as a beginner, it's not necessary to have pencil grades to do shading. You can do all the shading with your only HB pencil too. And to be honest, as a beginner almost 3 years ago, I didn't even knew about the pencil grades. And I used to do all the shading with the HB pencil. I still have those of my old sketches, and I'll show them to you someday as a motivation for you to keep going. And I almost forgot that we are stepping into the year 2024 soon, so I wanted to tell you guys something. Be sure to work hard this time and have no regrets. And good luck to all of you. And if you are here on my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe for the daily easy anime sketches. And also don't forget to check out the other videos too. Thank you. And now it's time to draw the jawline, and let's see how I'm gonna draw it to get a perfect one. And I'll keep on removing it as long as I think it's not perfect. So you need to do the same. If you think something is not perfect in the sketch or something is off, don't just ignore it. Go and look for it, figure out what's this, and find ways for the correction.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day. Waiting to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye.
And right now I'm drawing the ear, and as you can see, it's starting from the eye, going up to the eyebrow and ending at almost equal to that mark over the nose. And likewise, you're gonna draw the next ear.
You've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade away? You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand
So the sketch is finally complete, and now let's remove it a little bit and do the line art. And I'm gonna do it with this mechanical pencil. It has HB grade LEDs, which are light and normal. And the reason it's looking dark is the tip is only 0.5mm thick, and the amount of pressure I am putting on it. So that's why even HB is looking this dark.
You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way.
So finally, after outline, it's time to do shading. And now I am again using this HB mechanical pencil. That's a 2B pencil, which is basically light but darker than HB. And this is 6B woodless pencil, which I'm gonna use to do shading in the hair and in the dress. And the way of my shading is gonna be a bit different in this video, but it's a bit easier in the sense that we don't have to keep anything neat and we don't need to care for the outlines either.
You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it?
That's a used blending stump which has a lot of graphite around its tip, so that's why I'm using it to shade around the eyes. And here I'm using a little piece of cotton to blend, and it's like you just need to touch the pencil with it because this pencil is dark and soft and it blends right away. So finally, white dot in the eyes with the white paint marker. And finally, it's time to do my signature, and also don't forget to do yours on your sketch. It's the final look, and I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, comment on it, and also subscribe the channel and check out the other tutorials. See you soon in the next video. Bye!